This is a recipe on how to make Lucknawi chicken biryani. First, in a pot, add oil. Then add onions and saute until golden brown. Now take your onions and put them in a separate place. Now in the onions, add yogurt and add black cardamom, green cardamom, black pepper, cloves, mace, and nutmeg. Make a paste out of all these ingredients and keep it aside. The oil and add the pre-washed chicken. Fry the chicken until it is soft and brown. And add inside ginger garlic paste. Then shortly fry again with the ginger garlic. Then add onion paste. Add chili powder, haldi powder, and salt. Mix well. Then add the fried onion paste. After everything has mixed well, slightly remove the oil from the korma. Then in a separate pot with boiled water, add green cardamoms, cloves, and bay leaves, and then salt. Then after soaking the basmati rice, put it in boiling water. After the rice is cooked around 75%, drain it and prepare for layering. Now take the oil from before and drizzle it on top of the rice. Then add another layer of milk and saffron. And optionally, you can add biryani color. Then add kyora water. Then cover with foil and cook for around 10 minutes on a high flame and then switch to low. With that, your biryani is done.